Hello, today we're going to talk about what you can do to succeed in passing the IELTS exam. As you probably already know, the IELTS exam is divided into 4 different sections according to 4 language skills which are actually being tested. Now, these sections are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Let's now focus on each of them in order to understand how to give better answers. The listening part lasts 30 minutes and you will be given some more 10 minutes to write your answers onto a paper sheet. It actually consists of 4 sections and each of them is a bit more difficult than the previous one. Remember that you will hear the recording only once. To help you prepare, you will be given some extra time at the beginning of each 4 sections. The reading test lasts 60 minutes. Within that time, you must complete 3 separate sections with a total of 40 questions. Each section is a little bit more difficult than the other before and features authentic passages. Now, each section contains 12 to 30 questions and you will be asked 2 or 3 different types of questions in each section. See, there are several possible types of question. These are sentence completion, summary, note, table, flowchart completion, short answer question, and diagram label completion. Writing. The writing paper lasts 1 hour. There are 2 separate writing tests, one for academic candidates and one for general training candidates. Each test consists of 2 parts. The first part lasts 20 minutes, the second one lasts 40 minutes. During the writing test, you may be offered various writing tasks which challenge you to show your writing abilities. The speaking test is a sort of interview with an examiner that lasts between 11 and 14 minutes. The interview has 3 separate parts. In part 1, the examiner will ask you questions about familiar topics like family, hobbies, and things like that. In part 2, the examiner will give you a booklet showing a topic and suggestions on it. You need to talk about the topic around 1 or 2 minutes. You have about 1 minute to write notes before you begin. The examiner may ask you some follow-up questions. In part 3, the examiner will ask you some more abstract and more detailed questions linked to part 2. The examiner will listen carefully to your answer and will assess your speaking according to the following criteria: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, pronunciation.